The waistcoat you can see in front of you is one of my very latest. Features a deer. Can you see that? It's absolutely fantastic. It's a gents waistcoat, size about 42. I've put ivy leaves on here. There's lots of embroidery. It's beautiful colours in it are fantastic. Lots of geometric embroidery, little lines, interesting bits of colour, totally unique. If you go to my website, waistcoatsunique.com, you'll see further images of this waistcoat, but I just had to make this little clip of it because it's a bit of a new departure. I've not done deer before, and I think it's worked really well. I'm just going to now show you the back of the waistcoat. Here we go. We start at the top with the ivy leaves, cascading down with little birds, and here again a beautiful feature of a deer standing most grand there. I'm going to pan back so you can see the back of this waistcoat. I'll pan forward and just show you the detail. Very subtle, striking, beautiful colours on this gorgeous waistcoat. Wow. Beautifully crafted.